Okay, so there's these horrible 6 judges, okay? You can remove 3 of them, and one of them you have to advocate for staying. So give me the 3 in order that you would immediately remove, and which one would you advocate for staying?
Oh my God. I mean, I would just immediately change the rule of your question to removing at least 5 of them, which is Roberts.
No, that's not the question. Not the question. Pick 3.
Thomas,
Pick
Alito,
3. This
Kavanaugh,
is fuck,
and
marry, kill. This is the
Lisa, he's
5,
making
8
you
and a
say
half
something
mid
nice
Wednesday
about one of
version.
them.
Yeah.
What's that, Alyssa? I didn't.
I said, Lisa, he's making you say something nice about one of them.
I mean, Amy Coney Barrett had one good ruling last year, which was on the Fisher case, which was about whether these marauders, these Trump fans, were trying to disrupt an official proceeding. And she said, yeah, the language is official proceeding. That could include counting our votes. It doesn't have to be limited to the Sarbanes-Oxley Financial Reform Act. It's not limited in the language of the statute. And so that ruling would let me maybe think that she like in the next wave of if you could remove them. No, really, because she should never, if she had, like, I've thought about this a lot about kind of her role, like if she was really devoted to the rule of law as a neutral person, the best thing she could have done would be to decline that nomination, to appear before Congress and say, I'm going to withdraw my nomination because it's inappropriate to have the Supreme Court manipulated in this way after Republicans blocked Merrick Garland.
No one would ever do that.
No, but like, and you know what? If she had, I bet the Democrats would have voted for her.
Yeah,
like it would have been like, if she had, but
she did recuse too, didn't she? Recuse.
That's a superhuman act. It's a superhuman act to do that. But that's what she should have done. She should have said, I'm not going to participate in this political capture of the branch as much as I would like to have this role. I will not, if confirmed, I will not serve. I know listen, a girl can dream. You asked me.
Okay, 3. I need the 3 you're removing because there's 4 really bad ones. So pick 3.
Well,
I already know what she'll say. Thank you.
It's not because how do I not have Kavanaugh in there? It's Thomas, it's Roberts, it's Thomas, it's Alito, it's Kavanaugh, it's Gorsuch.
That's the thing, but you have to pick 3. That's the rule. That's the rule.
I'm feeling quite rebellious these days.
Alyssa, what's your pick?
Thomas and Alito right off the bat. I mean, the flag flying and Thomas is like massive corruption, and Roberts is my third, I have to say.
Okay.
So that was me.
If not for Lisa's book, I do have to say, if not for Lisa's book, I probably wouldn't have picked Roberts. But I mean, he's behind everything. He gives the facade of like a legitimate court. He's like the political mind behind the right-wing faction, and the political player that allows them to keep that veneer. So I think definitely Roberts, Thomas, and Alito.
It has to be Roberts because then we get a new chief justice.
I would do a term limits that would remove Thomas, Alito, and Roberts, and then I'd remove the other 3 without term limits. Gorsuch, Kavanaugh.
Yeah.
No, you're
okay. Now, who are yours, Greg? Who are yours? Tell us.
Roberts has to go because then you get to pick another chief justice.
Yes.
And then Alito and Kavanaugh. I would keep Thomas because I think he's probably going to kick sooner than the others.
You're doing a calculation of actuarial long.
Oh, that's smart. I didn't think about ages.
Yeah. And I think Amy is okay. She can stay. It's too often that the woman gets blamed for this shit.
I don't know. Gorsuch's Indian decisions sometimes are okay.
Yeah,
I know. He's got like one thing he's good at, and everything else is horrifying. Yeah. This is good. This has been our edition of Fuck, Marry, Kill. Thank you.
I still resist. I resist.
You should do a version of this every time.